So right now outside in the United States right now, there is a actual windstorm going on right now. So I'm blocking the camera so I don't get my aunt in there. She doesn't want to be seen on camera. I don't know why, but we just took down our tent. I'm sorry that I didn't show you it yesterday. Yeah. There's a windstorm. Look it, guys. Look it. This is an actual windstorm that's going on right now. I don't think this has ever happened in Cornelius. I don't think it's ever happened in Cornelius, where I am right now. I don't think this has ever happened. This is like a first time thing, a first time experience for me, kind of. So, yeah. The windstorm just stopped. Didn't really stop. It just sometimes slows down. But besides that, though, it's just a windstorm. There's a windstorm, right? That's all I'm saying, right? So, if you're wondering what's happening in Cornelius, yeah, there's a windstorm, and it might be happening to you. So, yeah. Huh? Why?
Because it's very smoky out here.
It's also very smoky, yes. Alright, I'm gonna end the video now, alright guys? So, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and the bell button, and dislike if you want to, and I will see you later. Goodbye.